SBI MF Partner Portal and App is an easy-to-use solution for all our empanelled partners. By using this portal or app, you can monitor your client's portfolio, invest in SBI Mutual Fund schemes for them, generate account and capital gain statements, and get relevant up-to-date information on your business. Let us see how the My Investors section is useful to you to oversee and manage your client's portfolio and service them. To start, click on the Investors tab and go to My Investors. Here, you will get a consolidated list of your investors. You can also filter the list based on predefined criteria. You can classify your investors into different groups as well. Click on Groups to see all your groups or create a new group. For your convenience, there are some quick links under Suggested Actions to help you initiate services such as SIP renewal, switch request from FMP maturity, update investor information, and register e-otm on behalf of your investor. With just one click, you can see your investor's complete portfolio. From here, you can initiate a transaction on the investor's behalf, download or send statement of account and capital gain statement, and view all his previous transactions. So get set for a hassle-free and convenient experience on partners.sbimf.com and the SBI MF Partner App today.